Imagine this, 90% of millionaires become so through owning real estate. More than any other method, investing in real property stands as the tried and true path to wealth. Now that's a surprising statistic, isn't it? Move over to the story of John, a regular guy who worked as a school teacher. John wasn't earning a massive salary, but he had a plan. He saved meticulously, and by the age of 35, he had enough to make a down payment on a small apartment complex. Today, John is the owner of multiple rental properties and lives entirely off the income they generate. This remarkable transformation wasn't the result of a lottery win or a large inheritance. John created his wealth by leveraging the power of real estate, a strategy accessible to many. But it wasn't just about buying properties, it was about buying the right properties at the right time and managing them effectively. Now consider Sarah, a high-flying corporate lawyer with a six-figure salary. Despite her substantial income, Sarah lived paycheck to paycheck with little savings to her name. She was rich on paper but poor in reality, a prisoner to her lifestyle inflation. Sarah's story took a turn when she decided to take control of her finances. She started budgeting, investing, and living below her means. Today, she's not only debt-free but also has a substantial investment portfolio that provides a passive income. The stories of John and Sarah teach us a valuable lesson. Wealth creation and financial independence aren't solely about how much money you make. They're about how you manage, save, and invest that money. The journey to financial freedom isn't always easy. It requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn. It means making sacrifices today for a more secure and fulfilling future. But the rewards are worth the effort. The first step towards wealth creation and financial independence is to understand your financial situation. Know your income, your expenses, your debts, and your savings. Once you have a clear picture, you can start making informed decisions about spending, saving, and investing. The next step is to set financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, starting a business, retiring early, or just building an emergency fund, having clear, measurable goals will keep you motivated and focused. Finally, educate yourself about personal finance and investment options. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's also wealth. John and Sarah's stories are not unique. Many people have walked this path to financial independence and wealth creation. Their journey began with a single step, a decision to take control of their finances. So take that first step today. Understand your financial situation, set your goals, educate yourself, start saving and investing. And remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And in this case, that step could lead you to financial independence and wealth creation. Thank you for tuning in today. Remember, the power to create wealth and achieve financial independence lies within you. Embrace it and let it guide you on your journey to financial freedom.